Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all a nice gooey pepperoni cheese pizza slice. So I'm first going to start out by drawing the rectangular shape of the actual pizza. Just going to curve it around over here. Now I'm actually going to bring it down to show the cheese. I continue this line. When I was thinking about drawing this piece, I was actually thinking of the old Pizza Hut commercials back in the day, which would show the cheese stuffed crust pizza. And if anybody in the audience or people watching remember that, if you ever seen it, but it was this nice hot, supposedly hot pizza coming out of the oven and put on this nice pizza dish, and whoever was taking out the pizza from the actual dish showed this cheese just sticking to the actual spatula kind of thing, and then the cheese kind of oozing off to the side. And then they had the stuffed crust, which was another hit of theirs, I guess. So that was the inspiration behind this piece. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is the actual base of the pizza, which is where this cheesy goodness is sitting. I'll start that line over here. And do another line from here, a wavy line. Does anybody in the audience have any special toppings on pizzas that they like? Mine's pepperoni, obviously. But I think when I found or discovered Blaze Pizza, which is a thing, I don't know if it's a complete franchise model, but when we first, my kids, my wife and I discovered that, it was like going to a Subway, but an upscale version at a pizza restaurant. So now I'm going to draw the crust of the pizza, which is going to be this nice little circular shape to show that it's round. Next thing I'm going to do is just line curve out and get the end of the pizza. Now I'm going to draw the wonderful pepperoni. Let's draw one first. When I gone to the grocery store a little while ago, it's amazing to see how many options are there when it comes to pepperoni. Especially the what is it, the Milano brand, or I think it's a type of pepperoni. Even if you guys got any favorite brand of pepperoni that you like. So here I'm going to draw the next one. So let me know in the comments, guys, what y'all think of these videos and if it's easy to follow along. Because on this channel of mine, which is my second channel, I wanted to make some really simple videos to follow along. I mean, even though I'm drawing on the tablet, you can obviously use a Sharpie marker and draw this on regular paper. It doesn't have to be drawn on a tablet. And when you're drawing your pizza, have fun with it. Put on some pepperoni, put on some mushrooms, olives, maybe some green peppers. And I think the best part is to have fun when it comes to the coloring of it. Now I'm gonna do the last pepperoni at the edge. I'm gonna erase these extra lines. And there we have it, people. Our simple little cheesy pepperoni slice. For the next part of this video, what I'm gonna do is just do a time lapse and color this in. And I will end it off with that. Thanks for following along, maybe drawing, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.